Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is how to convert array to array list and also how to convert array list back to array in Java. Let me answer this question with practical demonstration. Okay, there are two things that I need to answer as part of this question. One part of the answer is how to convert an array to array list in Java, and another part of the question or another question as part of this question is how to convert array list to an array. Okay, these two things I need to answer as part of this question. So there is nothing, guys, that I have to explain here directly. I'll go to the practical part and show you how to convert an array to array list and also how to convert an array list to array. Okay. So for that, first I'll create a new package here. Just for separation purpose, I'll create a package. Under this, I'll create a new class. I'll just name this as converting arrays to array list. How to convert arrays to array list in Java. Okay. Demo. With main method I'll create. First I'm going to create an array, guys. First I'm going to create an array. That particular array I'm going to convert into the array list. Okay. For example, this is an array. Integer array AR is equal to, okay, or AR1 is equal to, okay, here I'll write down 9, 1, 5, 7, 6, 2, 8, 4. Some elements, random elements I give. Okay. Fine. Integer array AR1 is equal to like this I gave. Now, this is an integer array. This is an integer array which I need to convert into the array list. First, in order to convert this array into the array list, first I have to convert this particular array into the list. Okay. For that, we have to write AR1. Okay. For that, we have to write, there is a command, guys. Arrays dot as list command. Okay. There's a predefined class known as arrays. And we have a predefined method, static predefined methods of the arrays class known as list. We have to write, and to this as list, we have to copy this AR1. Okay, we have to copy the object reference of this integer array. Okay, then this as list will return you the list type. Okay, list is equal to, over the mouse on this and say create, the return type of this as list will come here. That is list of integer is coming. I'm able to convert the integer array into a list. But my question here is how to convert an array into an array list. That's what is the question. But here it got converted to the list. If you still want to convert this into an array list, you have to write like this. Array list, a list is equal to new array list, new array list. Okay. Give the circular brackets here, give the circular brackets here. And in the circular brackets, you pass this list, guys. You just pass this list. Over the mouse on this, import this from Java library, and here you have to provide the same generic type. That's it, guys. By passing this list into this constructor of the array list, you can convert the list into the array list. So there are this is a two-step process, guys. In order to convert an integer array or a kind of array into an array list, first we have to convert the array into the list. Using this arrays.asList method, you have to convert this and you have to pass this particular object reference of the array, and then the array will be converted to the list, and that list you have to pass to the constructor of the array list class so that it will be finally converted to the array list. Now, if I print this out, system.out.println a list, if you don't get any error, this confirms that an array has been converted to the array list in Java. Okay. Right click, run as Java application. You see, the array list got, all the elements in the array list got printed. Okay. Whatever the elements added to the array are now part of the array list. Okay. So this is the code, guys. Guys, if you want to practice this code, you can take a screenshot of this code and practice in your local machine or personal machine. Okay. So hope, guys, you have taken the screenshot of this code. Now let me explain another one. That is how to convert array list to an array. Reverse one. Array list to array demo. Array list to array demo with the main method I'm going to create. First, I'm going to create an array. Okay. First, I'm going to create an array list, guys. First, I'm going to create an array list. Array list, a list is equal to new array list. Okay, circular brackets, put a semicolon here. Array list, a list is equal to new array list, and here you provide, let's say, integer type. And I'm first creating an array list which I need to convert into the arrays. Let me add the elements into this array list. A list dot add of, let's say, 9. Okay, I just add only few numbers, guys, few elements only, 9, 5 comma, let's say a list dot add of 7, and then a list dot add of 1. Like this, I'll add some 4 elements, guys, and here I'm going to, I want to convert, this is an array list, guys. I want to convert that into an array. Okay, array list, I need to convert it into an array. For that to happen, guys, first you need to create an array, integer array AR1 is equal to new integer array. And how to give the size of this array, guys? How to get the size of the array? The size of the array should be equal to the size of the array list. So I'll just say a list dot size here. This will dynamically get the size, which is 4. Okay, 4 will be added here. And once I create this array, guys, then I have to say there is a list dot, using the object reference of the array list. You have to call a method, that is toArray method. Okay, you have to call toArray method, and using this toArray method, I can convert the toArray method. And in this toArray method, you have to pass the object reference of this integer array, and here I have to store into the same object reference of the integer array. By doing this, we can convert an array list to an integer or to an array. System dot how to find out whether it has been converted, yes or no. Here AR1 of 0, if you print the first element, that is 9, will be printed. System dot out dot println AR1 of 1, you just give. Then system dot out dot println AR1 of 2, you can print. Then system dot out dot println AR1 of 3. Like this, if I write and run this code, if I am able to get the output, means successfully the array list has been converted to the array, guys. You see, all the elements of the array got printed after converting from array list to array. So these are the lines we have tried, guys. Here, a lot of people forget to pass this object reference of this array. Okay, so here, instead of just using this object reference to assign the resultant, here in the toArray method, you have to pass the object reference of the destined array. Okay, that you are going to get converted to. Okay, so here a lot of people do this mistake where they don't pass this and they get the errors. They will not be able to convert. Okay, so hope, guys, you got the answer for this question. And similarly, guys, you can take the screenshot of this code of how to convert the array list to the array. Okay, here take the screenshot of this particular code and practice this in your local machine, so that you'll get confident about these programs. Okay, so hope, guys, you got the practical demonstration. Let me do one thing. With practical demonstration, I've explained this explained the answer for this question, that is how to converting array to array list. What is the code, guys? What is the code? Converting array to array list, arrays to array list. Okay, this is a code, guys, for converting the array to array list. This is a code for converting the array to array list. And just copy this code, guys, and then paste it here. Okay, so that you can get in the notes. Similarly, how to converting array list to array. How to convert the array list to array also have written the code, array list to array. And this is the code, guys. I'll copy this code here and put that in the code section so that you can get it from the notes. Okay, I think hopefully I've successfully copied the code into this converting array to array list and converting array list to array. Okay, so with practical demonstration, I have answered this question for you. So that's all for this session, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.